Good afternoon, Mr. Heck. My name is Junior Nunez, and this is my statistics project. The article that I chose was How Americans Like Their Steaks by Walt Hickey. So the survey that they had was, the question that they had was that a reason why people prefer tougher, less juicy steaks is because of the threat of an illness. They tested 550 people, and with each one of those, they asked questions if they sped in traffic, smoke, went skydiving, or preferred a riskier lottery. Then asked how they preferred their steaks. The data that they received was really insignificant, and it did not show any relationship between the risk factors and how they like their steak cooked. The article also had another experiment, which was called the lottery experiment. So there was two different types of lotteries, A and B. The first one, A, had a 50% chance of success and winning $100, and lottery B had a 90% chance of success and winning $20. So they gave them a question, and it was, if you have $10 to bet, would you play lottery A or B? So by looking at the results, there's no clear answer, and the risk factor doesn't show us enough evidence that a person would prefer to eat a well-done steak versus eating a medium steak. And the last bit of information that was in the article was, how do you like your steak prepared? So they tested 432 Americans, and in the survey they found out that 38% prefer their steak medium rare, and 69% prefer to eat their steaks around medium to medium rare. So the new use of data that I came up with was, which age group earns the most household income? So I ordered the ages from least to greatest, and I found out that the mean was 48.32, the mode was 24, and the median was 48. Also the confidence level, which was 95. I found the sample standard deviation 20.56, the sample size, which was 50, and the sample mean, which was 48.32. The confidence interval being 42.61 and 54.01, with a margin of error of 5.7. So I put the ages in groups, the first one being from 18 to 31, the second one being from 32 to 45, the third from being 46 to 59, the fourth being 60 to 73, and the fifth being 74 through 87. Each one, I calculated their average household income. So from the age group 18 to 31, their average was $891,000. From the 32 to 45 age group, it was $507,000. From the third group, 46 to 59 years old, it was $631,000. The 60 to 73 years old, $1,173,000, and the 74 to 87 years old, $571,000. And with those numbers, I added them in a bar graph, showing them the statistics. Thank you for listening, and that's my project.